This is a great little microwave. I usually just do coffee or whatever, so I don't really use it that much. Maybe reheating some food. Even my cat likes it. Lots of options. Easy to use. Looks really cute.
So here she is in all of her glory, in an off-white cream color. It's from the brand COMFEE. Super easy to use, all sorts of different buttons. My favorite part is that you can put it in eco mode to save energy. So to turn it back on, just, there we go. Lots of room in it, even though it is tiny. You can fit a full-sized plate, which is what I loved about it. Lots of different options for cooking. Honestly, I have no complaints about this microwave. It works great.
You want all the